Hi, we are given to solve the equation 3 raised to the power k minus 2 raised to the power k equal to 65. Find the value of k. Solution. Now we have 3 raised to the power of k minus 2 raised to the power k equal to 65. On the right hand side of the equation, we introduce index 2 divided by 2. So we have that this becomes 3 raised to the power of k raised to the power of 2 divided by 2 minus 2 raised to the power of k all raised to the power of 2 divided by 2 equal to 65. Now note that if I have k and 2 divided by 2, this is still equal to k raised to the power of 1, which is equal to k. Now on the left hand side, our equation becomes 3 raised to the power of k divided by 2 all raised to the power of 2 minus 2 raised to the power of k divided by 2 all raised to the power of 2 equal to 65. On the left hand side, we say that let s be equal to 3 raised to the power of k divided by 2 and let y be equal to 2 raised to the power of k divided by 2. The left hand side of the equation becomes s squared minus y squared equal to 65. And we know that a squared minus b squared is known as difference of 2 squared, and this is giving us a plus b, a minus b. So our equation becomes x plus y and x minus y equal to 13 times 5. This is because 13 times 5 is equal to 65. Now we know that this equation can become x plus y equal to 13 and x minus y equal to 5. We call here equation 1 and call here equation 2. Now to obtain the values of the variable x and y, we solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. So if we add equation 1 and 2, we will have that 2x will be equal to 18. Therefore, x will be equal to 18 divided by 2, which is equal to 9. Now, substitute x equal to 9 into equation 2 to obtain the value of y. Our equation becomes x minus y is equal to 5. So our x has been obtained as 9 minus y equal to 5. So 9 minus 5 is equal to y. So therefore y is equal to 4. Thus x is equal to 9, y is equal to 4. But recall that x is equal to 3 raised to the power of k divided by 2. And we obtain that s is equal to 9, which is equal to 3 raised to the power of k divided by 2. Now we express 9 as the power of its base, so our equation becomes 3 raised to the power of 2 equal to 3 raised to the power of k divided by 2. Since their bases are equal, we have that 2 is equal to k divided by 2. Therefore, k is equal to 2 times 2. K is equal to 4. Also, we have that y is equal to 2 to the power of k divided by 2. Our y we obtain to be equal to 4, equal to 2 to the power of k divided by 2. If we express 4 in the power of each base, our equation becomes 2 to the power of 2 equal to 2 to the power of k divided by 2. Since they have equal bases, it becomes 2 equal to k divided by 2, and k is equal to 2 times 2, so k is equal to 4. Now, let's check if our equation is true. 3 to the power of k minus 2 to the power of k is equal to 65. Now we have 3 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4 equal to 65. 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 81 minus 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16 equal to 65. So it is obtained that 65 is equal to 65. Thank you.